Hey guys! Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I am a part-time seller on the Poshmark app, and I'm trying to become a full-time seller on the Poshmark app, and I'm bringing you all along for the journey. So today I bought my first ThredUp box ever, and I want to share it with you guys, show you what I got, tell you how much I spent, how much I think I'm going to make from it, and just really break it all down. All of the thrift stores are still closed, so I have been actively looking for new ways to get inventory, and I was hoping that this would be one that I could always go back to. So let's get into it. Obviously, I've already opened the box and gone through it because I went through and kind of priced everything so I can give you guys a good idea of like really how much I think I'm gonna make. So I have my notes right here, and yeah, let's do it. All right, so first things first, this is a cute little dress, 3/4 sleeve. It's got lace detail and like the keyhole in the back by About a Girl. See that? I've never heard of this brand and I couldn't find much online, so I don't think, well, it's not anything special. So I put, oh, and it's a juniors, so that kind of sucks. I have a few juniors things listed in my closet and they haven't moved in months, so I don't think the juniors market is very desirable on Poshmark. Either way, I mean, it's cute. It's a large junior, so it could definitely fit, somebody that like wears a small or something. But anyway, I don't think I'll get more than 15 bucks for this. So that's that. And next is this, and it's like a short sleeve sweater dress by Bosch. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyway, same thing. I couldn't find a lot on this brand, and so I'm hoping I can get about 15 bucks for this. And next we have an Old Navy classic fit, just a flannel, some nice blue, green, yellow, and it's a size small. So this, I won't get more than 10 bucks, and in fact I sold one very similar for like 8 bucks the other day, so not a lot of money, but these do typically always tend to sell fairly quickly for me. It's just kind of one of those staple pieces everybody has. Which brings me to this guy, which is also Old Navy, size small, and it's just like a cute little linen button. It's good for summer. It's not linen, it's cotton, but it feels, let me just make sure now that I said that. Yeah, 100% cotton, but it kind of has that like linen feel. It's a little bit semi-sheer, just a nice lightweight summer piece. So again, no more than 10 bucks, but it should move decently quickly. Next, we have these pants, and they're the Gap, and they're the skinny ankle and a 00. So, I mean, these are nice. Nothing too exciting, just some good, navy pants. So those, what did I say? These I think I can actually get 20 bucks for. Comps were decent. There were a lot in like the 25 to 30 range, but I wrote 20 down. Just, you know how it goes. You send offers and you don't always get what you list things for. So we'll say 20. And next up, okay, this I'd never heard of. Focus 2000 by Charles Glueck. Glueck. Yeah, anyway, never heard of it, so I got kind of excited thinking maybe it was like a big deal. Nope. These will probably go for 15, and they're just kind of basic slacks. These are size 8 petite. So there's that. Kind of an older style, vintage, maybe. Not too exciting. Alright, this guy is Worthington. See that? Yeah. Size small, and just a basic button-up blouse, and a nice like peachy color, kind of matches me. Anyway, this I said 15. nothing special. Okay, this is Express, extra small, and it's just like a really basic tank. It's got the high-low hem, lightweight, really cute for summer, but I said 12 bucks for this. I'll probably get more like 8 to 10, but I'll list it at 15 and expect to get 8 to 10. All right, next up, this is Erin London, size small, and it's just kind of like a funky black and gray. It's got like this mixed media, and it's fairly sheer. Yeah, it's just kind of this funky print. I don't know, not really right for the season, but I said 15 bucks for that. So almost everything in this box is going to be in the like $15 range, which is fine. I have no problem with that. Just, you know, nothing that blew my mind in the box. All right. We have the limited black collection. These are the Drew Fit and a 0 regular. I also noticed I did mix sizes when I ordered, but I'd say 90% of this is either like a 0 or a petite size, which is fine. Like, I like having a variety of sizes in my closet, but I feel like when you get too many of the same size, things don't really sell. So anyway, these are just basic black work slacks. Again, nothing too exciting, but those should sell for $15. Okay, these I got excited about just because I think they're cute. Like a floral print, like off-white, Hawaiian, kind of tropical vibes. But it's Harvey Bernard by Bernard Holtzman. Definitely an older tag. Yeah, so I think these will sell because it's the right season and they're definitely cute. But comps, I only expect to get about 15. I'll list them higher than that, but a lot of the solds were in the $15 range. So it is what it is, but hopefully based on style, they'll sell quickly. Okay, next up, White House Black Market, size 0, and these are a wool blend, like cropped trouser. Got a cute little like rolled hem, cuff, you know, button detail. And these I think I can get probably 25 for. Hopefully, that's what the comp said, but I don't know about you guys, but White House Black Market has not been moving very quickly for me at all. So we'll see. Okay, this is Chime, size small. Never heard of it. I saw something that I think it might be part of Jessica Simpson clothing line. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but when I was looking at comps, her name kept popping up. So it's a cute, like, cold shoulder, smocked blouse. That's cute. Size small, did I say that? Anyway, size small, but about 10 bucks, which is fine. Next we have Banana Republic Martin Fit in a size 8. Okay, that's good. Getting a little change in scenery. Anyway, these are really cute. Kind of like a chino, pale pink, blush pink, like cropped capri. Anyway, those are good for the season. So those I expect to get about 18. I'll probably list them around 25. And then send offers from there. All right, next we have Ann Taylor size 4. This is just a nice pinstripe pencil skirt. Great basic career piece. And this I also think I hopefully can get around 20. So that's nice. And next we have, this is LC by Lauren Conrad. In a size 2, no, small. It's just like a cute little tiered skirt, pull on, elastic waist. I remember when these used to be like the thing. I don't think they're really in style like that anymore, but nonetheless, I can probably get about 15 bucks for this. Okay, good. I thought I had a rip. It doesn't. I will say nothing in the box is really like is damaged or stained. Some of it did have some like animal fur on it. I mean, nothing major, you know, definitely in better shape than what I would have gotten at the bins. And everything was packaged super nicely. Like I said, I already tore into the box, so you guys didn't get to see, but it was all wrapped and folded beautifully. So, from all the haul videos I've watched, that seems pretty typical of ThredUp. Okay, next up we have a J. Crew size 0. And this is a cute little linen skirt with pockets. And back, yeah, it's got a back zip. It's missing the little eyelet for the hook. So that's a bummer. Unless I'm just not seeing it. Nope, definitely missing. Okay, so there's my first damaged piece, but that's really not a big deal. I'll just disclose that. And I still think I can get 18 for this. Maybe 15 because I didn't realize it was missing the hook for that. I mean, it's not a huge deal. It still has the zipper, but it won't close all the way. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I think it's cute with the pockets, so that should do well. Let's say 15. All right, next, Banana Republic, size 2. And again, just a pinstriped little career skirt. This one's in great shape. And it's like a nice navy color. So anyway, that hopefully will get me 15 bucks. $15. I feel like I keep saying bucks. All right, next we have the limited in a size 2. And it's just a gray, again, pencil skirt. Very cute. Nice, simple career piece. This lighter color is good for summer. But comps, I think this is only about $12. So that's fine. And all right, what do we got? Banana Republic, Martin Fit. Again, these are 6 regular, and these are just basic black work slacks. So those, I think, another $15. So that's great. 15 bucks all day long. I'll take it. Alrighty, this guy, L in a size small. Can you see that? Oh, yeah. Okay, size small. And it's just this cute, lightweight, sheer little blouse, which is good for the season. It's got a cute little button detail. And this I think I'll get about $10. Next I have a Doll's Point skirt in size medium. And this is kind of fun. It's elastic waist. It's got like the tiered ruffle. And it's, I can't tell what the animal is. I don't know, like a squirrel? I think it's a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel skirt, which is super fun. So this is cute. This should do well. And I'll probably list it for 20, but I think I'll end up getting about 15 for it. So that's a good piece. And this is Forever 21, size small, just a basic black and white stripe, kind of lightweight, almost cropped. Like, it'd be really cute if you could tie it in the front. Anyway, this I think is about 10 bucks. And next we have a, there it is, Blue Rain in an extra small, which I believe is an offshoot of Daniel Rain, which is a Nordstrom brand. It's like this pullover flannel with the floral detail, keyhole button in the back. Anyway, pretty cute, and another $15. Okay, last but not least is this pink blouse, and it's got these hooks all the way down the front, and it is by Bershka. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And it's a European medium, 28. So I'll have to take measurements on that, but it's kind of a fun color. And I think this will make me about 10 bucks. So that's everything. So that was 25 items. I paid $60. And if everything sells for what I told you it should, I will make $365. So minus the cost of the box, that's about $305. And then if you take away 20% of that for Poshmark fees, that leaves me with about 230 bucks profit in my pocket. So that's not bad. I mean, 25 items, realistically, it'll probably take me about 2 to 3 hours to process and list all of this. And, you know, 200 bucks for 2 or 3 hours, that's not bad. Is it all going to sell right away? No. If I had been out at the thrift store, would I have picked all these items up? No. Maybe 2 or 3. But that's okay, you know, it is stuff that'll sell. I did learn a few new brands doing this and a few new brands to not pick up if I ever see them. You know, and so that's why I did it. I needed inventory. I got inventory. I will say, however, I ordered this box on April 3rd and I did not receive it until the first week of May. So it took over a month to arrive at my house. Granted, we are in the middle of a pandemic. Everything in the world is crazy and delayed right now. So I understand. I'm not complaining. Just putting that out there. If any of you are thinking about ordering one right now, I would do it as soon as possible because it will definitely take a few weeks to show up. Would I order this box again? Probably not. My biggest complaints, it's supposed to be mixed sizes. I would say 80% of this is size smaller 0, which sells. I just like to have a variety of sizes in my closet, and this didn't really do that for me. So would I order from ThredUp again? Yeah, but I would like to try some other boxes, like maybe a denim box or a designer, you know, rescue box. You know, which would be on me to spend more the next time. So lesson learned, and hopefully if any of you out there are thinking about ordering your first ThredUp box, this is helpful. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully that answered some questions for some of you. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons on your way out. It really helps this channel out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.